Hey viewers, I wish everyone is well, and today I'm going to show you my virtual environment OpenMediaVault. I've installed this OpenMediaVault in my virtual environment, and now I'm going to log in admin, and you know the default password is OpenMediaVault. I'm showing here OpenMediaVault, the default password, and admin is admin, or you can set here root. Then here I'm clicking the login, and you can see here I'm already logged in with my newly installed OpenMediaVault. Here you can see the CPU widgets, and here the load average, network interface, service, SSH. Here is if you added any hard drive, and here is the network interface. You can see here the network interface IP, and here the system information here. Okay, I am going to show you the system information, processor, common KVM processor, system uptime, and others information is here. You can see here after dashboard, you can see here the system, workbench here, date time here, notification settings, power management, monitoring, update manager, settings, update, plugin. If you added any plugin, then you can add from here. Then you can customize your network from here, general, then interface. If you try to install here other interface, then you can directly add their interface. Ethernet, you can add the Ethernet here, and here the proxy. If you want to add any proxy IP, then here you can add a proxy IP. Here is the firewall rules. Here is the storage, disk, rate manager, smart, day settings, device, schedule tasks, file system, shared folder, service. Here is the service, FTP, settings, TLS, band rules, shares, NFS, shares, rsync, server, modulate, SMB, shares, SSH, users group, diagnostics. And here is the system information. Here you can see the system information, CPU uses, memory uses, uptime report, system log, processor, service, FTP, SMB, SSH report, and performance statistics. Here is the performance statistics, CPU statistics, disk statistics, load average, memory, network interface, uptime. So viewers, here you can see I am installed it in my Proxmox VMware environment. Here I am installed that my Proxmox VMware environment, and you can see here the console is running. 1 minute, I'm showing you the console. Here you also monitoring the system load, memory uses. I am installed here the one CPU core, and memory is 4 GB, and you can see here uses only 427 MB, and you can see here the others CPU information here. Then if I'm going to console, then you can see here the console, and here here you can see here the console IP address, the login IP address. You can see the login IP address here. You can see the login IP address here. So let's go to the hit. How do I install? I'm going to show you.
So viewer, we will close the previous instance from here. As you can see here, I have now closed the previously created system. You all know how to download ISO. Still I am showing you how to download ISO. First you need to go to Google and search for what you want. You have to select from the search results that come first. Then download the ISO shown on the screen. Since I am using a virtual environment, I will directly upload the ISO to the virtual environment. If you are using the same virtual environment as me, then you have to do the same thing as me. I have tried to show here in detail how you can download the ISO of your virtual environment. Copy the download link and paste it here and your download will start. I will not download now as I have already downloaded it. On the screen I am trying to show that I have already downloaded this file. So let us now try to install the system from downloaded ISO file. Pay close attention to the screen. I am trying to create a virtual machine. Here I will give the name of the virtual machine and then try to do everything that needs to be done. So I would say you pay close attention to what I am doing. First, clicking Create VM will bring up a dialog box like this, and from there fill all the options correctly and proceed to next. Here you should pay attention to what I am doing. Here I have taken 32 GB hard disk space and 2 GB RAM to show. In your case you can take more if you want. Now we will start the virtual machine we created and start the installation process. You can see here the system is trying to find the dynamic IP here, but my router system runs on static IP system, so here I have to set the IP manually. Now you need to set a root password. No more work at the moment, just copy files and wait. A file mirror may not be found here, in which case you have to go back and cancel as shown on the screen. So far after the files are copied you will be asked to identify your hard disk. Then file copying will start again for some time. After the file copy is finished, you will get an information that the installation is complete. And then you will see your system installation finished and your system is booting. So far it means that all your installation work has completed successfully. Here after booting you will see an IP and after some time that IP will be changed. After the change you will have to log in with that IP. Here you will notice that the change IP I set manually first. So let's log in now and see if everything is fine.